Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Dr. Jupiter's My First Science Kit, a fantastic way to ignite a passion for science in kids aged 4 to 8. With over 100 mind-boggling experiments, this kit is designed to captivate young minds and encourage them to become curious problem solvers. It's a perfect blend of fun and education, allowing kids to explore STEM concepts through hands-on activities like water fireworks and walking water, making learning an adventure. The kit comes with easy-to-follow, well-illustrated instruction manuals, ensuring that both children and adults can seamlessly perform all the experiments together. Dr. Jupiter prioritizes safety and quality, meeting all U.S. safety standards, and backs their products with years of research and development. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just because, this science kit promises endless screen-free fun and a magical journey into the world of science. So, get ready to watch your little ones transform into real scientists with Dr. Jupiter's My First Science Kit.